Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Another video, another panty haul. So for today's video guys, ayan, we will make a panty video again. Yung ano pa nung nakaraan, o yung isa doon, yung dalawa doon sa 6-pack. So ito guys yun siya guys. We have black, pink, black and pink. So sige, unahan na muna natin tong pink, okay? So guys, I have here, pink siya. Maganda yung kanyang pagkaano guys, maganda yung kanyang pagka ano sa ni siya, yung kanyang quality, the color also, ganito siya guys. Anito sa loob, okay, di ganito siya sa loob guys. This is large, ayan. Ganito din po siya sa likod, okay? So this is really nice, I really like it. Diba? So I really like this one. So anuhin lang natin. Ito siya. Ganito siya sa harap. Okay? So, good luck to me. But I really like pink. Okay? So, since black, pink. Okay? So, ito namang black guys. The black one also is large. Ayan. Kasya sa akin to and I know you. Lagi ko sinasabi guys, I really always keep telling here. Like, black is beautiful. And I know you guys, you like also black. Okay? Black is beautiful. Ayan. Ganito siya guys. Ganito yung kanyang high cut, low cut ni siya guys. Low cut and also large. Ganito siya. Diba? And then also ganito siya sa loob. Whee! Ganito siya sa loob. So anyway, hindi naman to makikita kasi black talaga siya. Pero, ayan nga, the quality is really good. Ganyan siya. O, diba? Maganda talaga siya. Okay, so suot natin to guys. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and of course hit the notification bell. Please also comment because I will read your comment. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, so suot na natin to sila guys. Let's go. Kasi ito yung kanyang pink. Ayan, pink, I really like it. Ganyan siya. Ganito din siya sa likod. Diba? Maganda siya guys. I really like it. Ganyan. Pink is beautiful. Ayan. Maganda din siya yung pink. Ayan. So, ganito din po siya dito. Ayan. Sa harap. And then, ganito din siya sa likod. I really like it. Ayan. Ganito siya. A very nice color also and large. Ayan, maganda naman siya and I really like it so much. Ayan. Suotan natin yung isa guys. Ito yung black. Maganda naman siya. I really like it. Black is beautiful. Ganyan siya. Maganda yung kanyang quality. I love it. Ayan. Yung kanyang fittings, I like it. Ganito ang kanyang likod. Maganda siya guys. I like it so much. Ayan, ganito din siya dito sa likod. Maganda siya. Sorry for my fats, guys. I like it. Ayan, tumataba ako. But anyway, I like the two. Black and pink, I like it. Ayan siya, guys. Thank you for watching guys. Salamat po.